Hey babe, you're looking kinda mad. Did I do something dumb? Was it really that bad? Are you hungry? Or is it just that time of the month? Please
Guys,
let
welcome
me-
to a new video. You guys, Sana, I am so mad. What kind of a nonsense is this one? Oh no, guys, ngeke. Yo. So guys, apparently here, since I've moved in this place, I did not have that pipe. I want to lay waste drainage from the washing machine. So I did not have that one. So I've been using the toilet, yabon, as improvising. Sebenzisa le pipe le landuka ye washing machine bendifaka e toilet so that izodrainela khona. So I've decided, you know what, let me get someone man ukuthi azondilandukela azondenzela lento yalo pipe uyabo, andazi ibizwani, plumbing or whatsoever, I don't know. So ngithole this guy ezenyani azoyenza. I think this guy uyenze yaba too short. So njengoba i-too short, xa ispina ichitha amanzi yabo, idraina ikhupha lamanzi la, what happens, i-pipe ivele ithi takancu yowale kude iphume sana, and then we end up having this dam oyibonayo ke apha sa, yo amanzi, yo hey, end up esinale dam. So I was like, you know what, anyway, this bathroom is very dirty. Ngapha kune laundry. Let me just nje clean it, yabo, tidy it up so that ngingavele nje ngenza ama shortcuts ukuthi okay bechithe kamanzi ngiyasula, and that's all. So here guys, you will see me cleaning up this bathroom. I hope you're gonna enjoy that, even though like, yo guys, I was so tired. And you know what, cleaning unexpectedly, it's not nice. It's really not nice, but okay, it is what it is. We have to do what we have to do. Guys, nithini ngale issue kaJonas? Yo, hayi sana, indibhora down. Idingathi yam le issue sana, andizixakekisanga. Hayi, ingasangekhe kumsana uJonas. Hayi mina ndimonqena umuntu onjengoJonas, because all I know ukuthi iva likhutshwa ngelinye iva. Hayi shem, yazini, hayi zingalimaza iyetyeni shem, zingalimaza iyetyeni apha kum, asoze, hayi angeke ndilunge. Anyway guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And guys, let me ask, so ungenele kwi-giveaway? Remember, I am running a giveaway of 500 rand in cash mntase, ndikunikeza in cash, ndiyayitransfera same time uyayithola kwi-account yakho. I hope you have watched that video so that you can also stand a chance to win that 500 mntase. 500 can go a long way, and you could be that lucky winner. You may never know, just take a chance. Ume ngoba nguThomas. Oh Thomas sana bakholwa ngokubona, and there won't be any turning back xa sowubona ba this is legit actually, and I am really giving the person that money. So please mntase ungaphoswa just because you don't trust it, ufuna uqala ubone. Anyway guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Love you loads ke sana.
Bought me at a price I can't afford, taking me to places I ain't explored yet. Heavenly places, no GPS or escaping, no escaping. Yeah, you got everything, gave it all away, gave me everything. Drip on the cost, gave us only son, didn't take a loss, you did it for me. Glory on me, fully clothed, yeah. No design is still unclothed, yeah. Took me from rags to riches, rags to riches, yeah.
What would happen if you pause on all the action? Quit the stress and need no caption. Give your Instagram vacation. Yeah, work on your patience. Yeah, but you ain't facing. Yeah, yeah. Cause I love some music, but I just went through it. So I took a little break on the west side. Now I'm waking up late on my best side. And it's okay for you. Take a day or two. Get your mind together. Sing it with me. Say, all to Jesus I surrender. All to thee I freely give. I will ever love and trust him in his presence daily live. Yeah, I surrender all. Ooh, I surrender all. Yeah, all to thee, my blessed Savior. I surrender all. I'm in awe. Oh my God, you amaze me. You're the bomb, and I just be setting the stage. So let me get out the way, cause you gon' elicit the praise out of the mouth of the babes, and I just be stuck in the daze. And you tell me that it's not about the way I sing, then you question me for why I'm even questioning. Cause I know it ain't the power or the might, but the spirit. The soul is gonna know the truth every time I hear it, and I can't commit my own name, cause that's an interference. It'll take it from a home game. They're trying to sell tickets, and if ain't nobody showing up, it's really what you're fearing, and your heart is in the wrong place. Who is it you're hearing? Say all to Jesus I surrender. All to thee I freely give. I will ever love and trust him in his presence daily live. I surrender all. I surrender all. Oh yeah, all to thee, my blessed Savior. I surrender all. Oh yeah, I surrender.
Fly about the valley in the fire. Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lions den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break?
This brings us to the end of our cleaning session. Guys, I hope you enjoyed cleaning with me as much as I did enjoy cleaning with you. Anyway, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Till next time, you guys. Love you loads, Sana. With God's love never fails. Mwah! Bye!